Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. This is Beautiful Guitar Chords, Up and Down the Guitar Neck, Volume 5. We're going to take a basic shape, like A major, and we're going to move it up and down the neck, and I'm going to give you the names of every chord we play. We can use these for song ideas, songwriting, or whatever. And sometimes you'll find these in songs that you've already heard. We're going to start with that A shape. I'm strumming from the A string down, omitting the low E string. And I've got a finger on the D string, G string, and B string, and leaving the high E string open for that A. We're going to move it up the neck. That's A major. We'll move to fret 4. Now we have an A6 suspended 4, sharp 11. At fret 5, we'll have an A minor 7. At fret 7, A6 suspended 4. Nice chord. At fret 9, A major 7 suspended 2. At fret 10, A minor flat 6. At fret 12, A suspended 9th. And when we get to fret 14, we've got our A chord again. But we've got some nice high notes and some low notes in there too. Low A, high D, G, and B, and an open high E. So, interesting. Now if we go back the other way, sounds like this. Fret 14, fret 12, fret 10, fret 9, 7, 5, 4. We'll add 3 to this, and fret 3 will be an A suspended flat 6, flat 9 to lead us into the A chord. So that's a nice bunch of chords for songwriting and just having fun with the guitar. Well, for more of this, use the link in the description below this video. That's Beautiful Chords, Up and Down the Guitar Neck, Volume 5. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.